make masks at home simply because you can't find the right size, right color, or the design you like, or when you buy a mask they hurt near your ear, you are not sure if it is made with the right kind of fabric, or you have a face size which is smaller or bigger than the sizes which is than the mask sizes which is sold in the market. Your kids, anything you buy, they wouldn't just fit their face. Or you know how to stitch but you're not sure where to get started because you don't know the right kind of fabric to use, or you don't have the dimensions. Well, if that is the case, you are in the right place. In this free class, I will be teaching you everything about masks. The first thing is going to be, I will be sharing you, as soon as you register, I will share with you all the design patterns, paper patterns to make the cup-shaped mask, and then I will show you how to make the perfect measurements to make the regular rectangular masks. The second thing which I will be teaching you is, I will walk you through all the different designs of masks which you can make from the two basic patterns. Those includes the simple regular, the rectangular masks without filters or with filters, cup-shaped mask which has ties, cup-shaped masks with filter pockets. If you don't have elastic, how to find a solution, how to find alternate solutions, I will show them to you in the class. This is my favorite, which goes around your head, especially if you had to wear for a long time. This is ideal, trust me. And then how to use HEPA filter bags, vacuum filter bags, so that you can make either masks for the outer layer. Remember, these cannot touch your face. Or you can make filter pockets using them. You can do your own research on how to use these things so that you can use, you will use the best ones in the market. And then I will be teaching you different kinds of ear savers, how to make ear savers. Especially to mention one, I will show you how to make ear savers using these elastics which has buttonholes, so that they are resizable depending on your face size. Now a little bit about me. I have over 23 years of experience teaching both academics and life skills, and when it comes to sewing, I've been sewing as long as I could remember. If I'm to put it my way, I would say I was born with a needle instead of a silver spoon. Why am I teaching this class for free? So that we can save lives together. So if you want to join me to save lives, click the link below and join this class.